Hi, I'm Jason, a 2023 graduate from the University of Queensland in Australia, where I earned both a bachelor degree in information technology and a master degree in cybersecurity. I decided to join the trainee program because I was looking for a unique opportunity to gain a broad range of experience in manufacturing IT sector. My initial expectation was to gain more hands-on experience, and the program has exceeded that. Being part of the manufacturing IT pool allows me to explore different roles within the industry rather than being confined to one single position. For anyone considering this program, having a strong foundation in professional skills is certainly important. However, what's truly great about our program is its inclusivity towards individuals with diverse specialties. For example, my background is in cybersecurity, while my colleagues is in data analysis. The diversity enriches our team and broadens our collective expertise. So the two essential skills to success in this program are effective communication and open mind. As an international company, our projects often requires collaboration with colleagues from different locations, cultural backgrounds, and functions. This program has been instrumental in preparing me for my professional career. For example, I had the chance to be involved in everything from understanding and adopting cybersecurity policies to implementing our network's security measure. This allowed me to see how cybersecurity operates from the top to bottom within the organization. If you are interested in this program, make sure to check out our job portal for your chance to join the eXplore trainee program.